Elle est là, elle est là.
Smiley.
Gourd. It's called gourd.
We've
I'm gonna
been,
write here. What do you want to buy?
Et le soir, c'est
But I got another bite here.
Because let's sign off here.
And lift and open the chest of the neck and then bring up to knees. Keep the hands interlaced. Deep breath in. Bend the knees for each bring the wrist down. Drop the hips a little bit. You have to go a little bit deeper. Down as your front arm reaches all the way up and over into deep. Look at a lot. Something goes in front of how the focus is stable. You're holding in your breath. And you're going deeper.
すぐ飽きられるかもしれない。あの人もいらなくなったら。世界殺したりする。生き残りさえ。
Okay, this is my outfit today. Maybe I might change it, but let's see. I feel actually a bit hot with this. But anyways, let's go. Let's see the skate park and let's gather some groceries together.
Salut mec. Bien le bonjour. Sacha. Jacques. Ok.
Bonjour.
Sacha, enchanté.
Enchantée Marla, enchantée. Ça va? Ça roule?
Pas trop chaud? Ça va.
C'est mieux maintenant. Tu sais quoi là-bas?
Ouais.
Peut-être si c'est ouvert, je vais là-bas. Ouais! Ok. Jack's gonna skate a bit there. Look at how he's going. Look, can you find it? Oh, it's going there. Oh, 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 oh. There. I'm bad at this. Okay. I'm gonna check the cafe over there. See if I can have something to drink, something cold, maybe soda. And I'm gonna let him enjoy his time. I think there's a cool kids there. If I was a young girl, I was definitely gonna have a big crush on boys like that. Just that.
Mon ami, il y a deux mecs gauches, c'est pouces. Voilà. Je vais très bien, c'est pas facile. Il est en droitier ni gaucher. Moi, j'ai des système de main gauche et gauche
Now I'm walking in this park, which is the skate parking is located in this big park with some kind of a lake that I believe it's not like from the nature artificial. Do you say that? And there's lots of sporting, picnicking, families playing with the kids and dogs. In the meantime, the track is skating. I want to look around a bit. What is happening in this park? What is available? Well, let me see. Let me show you the lake area a bit. Okay, we finished the skate park and then somehow we ended up in the village called Abt, and we decided to have a dinner here. So let's see Abt, this village. I didn't know about this village because it was near to the skate park was from this village, so let's try to discover the village a little bit, but actually everything is kind of closed after 8, so let's see what we can look here.
Pizza truck.
Bonsoir. Bonsoir.
Bye bye. Bye.
Now we're gonna go home.
Non, maintenant on va acheter le briquet.
Ah ouais, c'est pas ok. Had dinner. Gonna wash my face and call it a night. Good night.
Press upper body down to legs.
Je sais.
Là, tu peux me laver les cheveux, moi je vais voir le gamin.
Okay, we are back at the Abt. Gonna do the grocery shopping, maybe go to the boucherie and get some things to cook and fruits. So, yeah.
Oh Valentin, j'ai revu morte.
Ouais. C'est bien.
Vous voulez, il faut le bouffer à midi.
C'est bon.
Last time we booked a plane.
Yeah.
It was like 7 months ago, full war time.
Here, yes.
Complètement impossible. Je sais pas t'écrire.
Est-ce que tu te rappelles le client qui nous a dit fais-lui un
C'est plus
Ouais, mais au niveau du...
mature un peu.